When it comes to culture building at RADICL, it fundamentally still comes down to the notion of we are one team. We are all in this together. We care about our mission and our purpose. When folks come in and interview for RADICL, we ask them a core question to us: are you a patriot and why? That's part of our culture, and we want folks who consider themselves patriots because as founders we're patriots and we're serving a patriotic mission. And it'd be hard to be part of a one team, unified team if you don't feel good about answering yes to that question. And so that serves as a cultural common ground for the company. And then the philosophy of that we are one team, and every customer that we win, whose trust that we have earned, is something that as a team we celebrate across the engineers who built the product, across the VSOC, who has delivered the service on our platform, and across the sales team, who has worked with that customer, to educate them on what we do and to ultimately convince them to give us a shot and to have them place their trust in us. And we celebrate that as a team win.